Hello everybody. Today we're going to install a Perma-Boot to cover this boot. As you can see, it's been repaired before, but we're getting some water inside, and when you look at it, you can see that it's separating from the pipe. So I could slab a bunch of roof cement stuff on it, but we're going to go ahead and install this Perma-Boot. I put it on another pipe before. They work great. It's an easy solution. But my pipe is too tall. They're made for 6 to 15 inches, so I'm going to cut this to 12 inches just to give myself a little bit of room. So I already measured from the roof up 12 inches. I'm going to use a hacksaw and go ahead and cut this off, and once I get that cut off, we'll install the boot. Alright, so we cut this to the height that we need. So we're going to open up our Perma-Boot. There's a couple different pieces in here. We have our top, which also has inserts for 2 inch and 1.5 inches. That does come off, but you can leave it on. And then there's the actual boot part here. So first thing you do is clip these two together. That goes in that hole. Pull around the other side, and that allows it to adjust per the pitch of your roof. So you slide it over, put it all the way down, and that part's done. Now I'm going to go ahead and use some Flashmate, flashing caulk, whatever cement, whatever you want to call it. It's for roof repair. You don't have to, but I like to run a bead around here just to be safe. I guess overly cautious. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then we'll finish our repair. Alright, so we put some of that roof sealant stuff around there. Now we just take our top, push it all the way down, and we are done. Perma-Boot installed. Leak is hopefully fixed forever until we get a new roof and we have to replace that boot. So that is how we install the Perma-Boot. You attach the 2 pieces, slide that over, throw a little roof sealant around, pop that on, and we are good to go. If you have any questions, comments, concerns about that, please leave them in the comments below. Hit like, subscribe, and we will talk to you soon.